you follow us on Instagram but want to know more about the process, we're going to take you step by step through the FlyNYON experience. Upon arrival, you'll be immediately greeted by our front desk staff who will assist you with check-in. Once you've completed check-in at the front desk, relax in our 10,000 square foot terminal full of fun activities. From there, you'll step into one of our safety briefing rooms. You'll have the option to upgrade your flight and ask any questions. Then we'll have you empty your pockets and remove any prohibited items.
Cause these thoughts are driving me insane.
You're almost done. Last step is getting harnessed.
So I just gotta know, do you still feel?
Now you're ready to head out and you're just minutes away from the most exciting experience in New York City. You'll hop in our shuttle for a quick ride over to the heliport where you're greeted by your pilot and you'll be able to get some pre-flight photos and videos. Then we'll get you loaded up and send you on your way to the most exhilarating helicopter flight of your life. We look forward to seeing you soon.